Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rindu Rahayu. My study number is 20140500 and 5. I'm from Group 1. This time I will presenting about research design, methodology, and agenda of project. In this material, we will discuss about research design, types of research design, research methodology, general purpose, and agenda of project. The first, about research design. Research design is a blueprint or framework that helps research in a research that provides an outline and details of each research procedure, from question to research problems to data analysis. According to experts, research design can be interpreted as a structured work plan in terms of the relationship between variables comprehensively in such a way that the research result can provide answer to research question. According Fahruddin 2009, page 213, design research are framework or details of work procedure to be carried out at the time research so that it is expected to provide an overview and direction what will be done in carrying out the research and give an uh, idea if the research has been completed or completed the research was applied. Okay, next the types of research design. The first is experimental design. As the name implies, experimental research design means that the research is conducting experimental research. Experimental research can be interpreted as research which involves manipulation of the condition of the subject being studied, accompanied by strict control ever against external factor and involving comparison subject or systematic scientific methods carried out to build relationship involving cause and effect phenomenon. Next, survey research design. Survey research is research conducted on large or small population, but the data studied are data from samples taken from the population to find relative occurrence distribution and relationship between sociological and psychological variables. Next, longitudinal research design. Longitudinal research is research that use data over a long period of time. How long the length of time in question is very relative. However, the emphasis of longitudinal research is actually on the extension of the survey conducted. The extension is periodic. This longitudinal research can also be understood to an extension of periodic survey research. Next, case study research design. The case study is the most suitable method for the investigative phase of a study because it puts forward survey and historical process as a way of explaining causality. However, the case study method is only a preparation of research methods and cannot be used to describe or test a problem. Next, about research methodology. According Scour 2007, defines research methodology as a theory of how an inquiry sort process. It involves analysis of the assumptions, principles, and procedures in a particular approach to inquiry. According to Sugiono, the notion of research methods is a scientific way to get data that can be described, goals that have been developed and found knowledge, theories to understand, solve, and anticipate problems in life. And research methodology is taught as a supporting subject in several ways in many academic disciplines such as health, education, psychology, social work, nursing, public health, library studies, marketing research, and pharmaceutical science, etc. And next, general purpose of research methodology. The first is to gain knowledge or discoveries that have never been found before. Next, we will to be able to prove the data that has been obtained. Three, to test the validity of the data that has been obtained. Four, to develop existing knowledge. And the last, theoretical research objective. Next, agenda of project. A project-based learning method is the application of active learning, constructivism theory from Piaget, and theory from Seymour Papert. Bransford and Stan define project-based learning as comprehensive teaching approach that involves students in cooperative and continuous inquiry activities. Project-based learning focus on the existence of a number of problems that are able to motivate and encourage students to deal with concept and basic principle of knowledge directly as a first-hand experience. And the last conclusion is research design is a blueprint or framework that have research in research that provide an outline and details of each research procedure from question to research problems to data analysis and research methodology as a theory of how an inquiry should process. It involves analysis of the assumption, principle, and procedure in particular approach to inquiry. And project-based learning method project is the application of active learning, constructivism from Piaget and from Seymour Papert. And I think that's all from me about research design, methodology, and agenda of project. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.